Guys, I'm going to be name follows much multiple. So in this video, I will introduce you from the JavaScript, the web development main language. So I will tell you what is JavaScript and where we are going to do the JavaScript. JavaScript is little bit different from HTML, CSS and another languages, but same from the web development languages. For example, Python and Kotlin, C++, C++, many more. So I am going to open my Epic Pen to tell you about it. So simply, this is my whole program. Here is the live server and here is my tag. If I write it like JavaScript, so now for example I use HTML, CSS and JavaScript to make this one. If I give it JavaScript, so it will have an ability to move. Like when I press the up one, so that will go and jump like this. So that's all JavaScript, the brain. For example, I am a human being. I have my brain that's called JavaScript. My whole body, I am talking with you. You are understanding my word with the brain, with JavaScript. So that's it, and we are going to know the JavaScript with VS Code. We are going to do it. You can use Replit or Atom, or you can use Sublime. So thank you for watching my introduction of JavaScript. So I will meet you in the next video with my new client. So take care and Allah Hafiz.